Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you this new app, this new website. Well, it's an older website, but they have a new app. They're paying Uber and Lyft drivers $100 per month, up to $100 a month or more, depending on how many surveys you actually complete. So yeah, I thought before I hop into it, I'm gonna leave a link down below. If you use the link to sign up for the survey site, you're gonna get an extra 25 points. So yeah, a lot of people are making money with this now. A lot of my friends are. We're literally just hanging out at home doing surveys. I watch TV. I got my little TV set up right here. Just sat on that couch right there. I put up this little thing here. I got a little thing here, and I just sit here and fill out surveys on my phone. I'm literally just like doing surveys on my phone. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of walk you through how it works, because I think it's honestly too good to be true right now, and we're all just kind of hanging out at home anyway. And even if you're not, while you're bored or while you're watching TV or videos, you could be doing a survey right now while you're watching this video. I do it while I edit, because I edit videos. I do it while I am watching videos or whatever, or even just laying in bed bored. Usually when I wake up, I'll do a couple surveys, and before I go to bed, I'll do a couple. But yeah, you can make up to extra $100 a month. And also, it is specific to Uber and Lyft drivers, because I put down, in your profile, you put down, what you do. If you do Uber and Lyft, you're gonna get surveys about Uber and Lyft. And like, I think those ones pay a lot more than just simple like other ones, because there's a lot of, I think Uber and Lyft actually do a lot of surveys for this. So yeah, use the link down below for Survey Junkie. And yeah, let me just walk you through it really quickly. Yeah, let me just grab my laptop. So yeah, let me just set up a little screen recording here. Yeah, but basically what you want to do is go to a link in the description of any of my videos. So, just type in Rideshare Hub. Click on this one. And then, this video, click this link here. And then once you do this, I already have an account, but yeah, you click join now, sign up, make an account, whatever. This is my account. I'll just show you guys my account, what it looks like. 649 points I have so far. So I got $6.49 to redeem. In order to get $100, so I've been doing this, I started yesterday pretty much. I can go through my point history. I signed up a couple of weeks ago, but I literally was like, I was making like no money, and then I figured out a trick. So here, let me just go into, so these are the surveys, by the way. Yeah, so there's a lot of to talk about, but basically what you want to do, well, let me show you my points. I think I can show you my lifetime points. So really quick, a quick trick for you guys is go to your history here, or this is my history, sorry. So I can show you when I first signed up on, March 23rd, this is what you'll get for just using my link, the 25 points. Then you get another 50, 25 points. So all these here, the survey IDs where I was getting 3 points, 3 points, 2 points, those are all surveys I didn't really qualify for. So what I ended up figuring out is you need to fill out these technology questions, shopping questions, health questions, household interest questions, travel questions. There's 6 of them. Fill all those out, they're 10 points each. And then after you do those, so as you can see at the beginning, I was not even getting any big ones, and then I quit after 4:30. Then I started up 18 days later. I was like, you know what, let me give it another shot. I finished up the rest of these 10-point ones. Like, I had 4 of them left. And after that, now you can see I started getting these 60-point ones, 60 points, 35 points, 25 points, 60 points, 50 points, 50 points, 45 points, 15 points, etc. And then, this was all like from yesterday and today, pretty much. So yeah, my first ones I did yesterday and today. And I already have $6.49. And I just literally, maybe it took me like an hour or so. I just went on a little beach walk, did a survey there, watched, sat on the couch. But guys, so the way it works to redeem it, let me see if I can show you guys. It is pretty cool. Like, you can actually, make a decent amount of, $100 a month. You could pay, you could literally almost pay for your car, depending on what kind of, my car payment was $157, but my car was pretty cheap. It was only $5,400 car. You can do a bank transfer, cash out with PayPal, or get a gift card. I recommend just doing bank transfer, just because, you know, it's just as good as cash. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I just want to show you guys really quick. That's a new way for Uber and Lyft. I'm always trying to show you guys interesting ways to make money, and that's today's video. So let me know once you sign up and fill out a survey. Once you get 500 points to cash out, let me know and I'll shout you out in my next video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. All right, I'll talk to you all soon.